Today I was trying to use my iPhone to check my ring to see if there's any activity at my doorsteps. And so here's the video of me trying to log in, and I get this connection error. Connection error. Waiting. And so even when I rebooted, it would just be stuck on the login screen. So my wife was wondering if there was something wrong with her internet. She was originally tried on her phone and was getting this problem. And so I Googled Ring website down, and I came across this, or something similar to this. This was written and updated today at 7:25 Eastern Time. And so it was down for roughly quite a long time, for 6-7 hours. And this affected Amazon Web Services. It's a little disconcerting that it would go down this long. You would think that there's some redundancy. But anyways, it affected deliveries too. So here's an email that I received from Amazon about my order. And they said it had been delayed for 24 hours. I didn't think much of it. I just thought, they're running slow. But I think it was related to this AWS Amazon failure. And so I know a lot of people were really annoyed about what's it called, things not working on Ring, especially because it's for your safety and security on your house front door. They also mentioned other apps were affected, but anyways, I think this is pretty disappointing coming from such a big company. We've seen this with I think Facebook experienced it recently a few months ago, and now Amazon has experienced this. I'm not sure what the reason was, but anyways, you can read up. I'll put this in the video. Hope this doesn't happen anymore. I just actually started paying for the Ring service to record videos. So this was not cool. The nice thing was I could actually view my security footage through other services. I have other cameras that I set up, and those cameras worked. So I guess Ring isn't that too reliable. Hopefully Amazon fixes this problem.